Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Jeep Cherokee North. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in brilliant black. It looks great. You do have that Jeep logo with the chrome bumper on it. You do also have your lights there and your projector style lights, as well as your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with Continental brand tires. They look great. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got that North badging as well as your backup camera, and you do have your 4x4. Now there is a button just right here. You just got to press it, and it will open right up for us, just like that. Looks fantastic. Lots of room back here, very spacious for hauling whatever you might need to. You can lift this up, and there is some additional storage just underneath there. As well, you do have this guy to cover up whatever you might be hauling back here, in case you don't want people seeing it. You do have some storage there, and the button right here to close it back up, just like that. Very nice. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. Got 2 press to open up the back, and 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold. Now it also has proximity keyless entry, so if it is locked and you put your hand in there, it will unlock for you as long as you have the key on your person. You also have the button there to lock it if you did want. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. A handle here and some storage just down there. Looks great in here. The cloth seats are very comfortable. You do have the controls over the lights here, so you're off, you're on, your daytime running lights and your low beams, as well as your auto and your fog lights there. Up here you do have the control over the turning signals and the high beams, and then down here you do have the controls over the seats, so the backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. It is a push to start, so foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. In the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have the kilometers we have on this guy, which is 56,000, not too bad at all. You can switch that around a bit to your vehicle info, fuel economy. You got your trip info, stop start options, audio, messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Right over here we do have the control over our windshield wipers, and around the back of the steering wheel you do have a volume up and down button, as well as a source changer. Now right in the center here we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. It looks great, lots of color in there. You do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. You also have your controls over heated seats and heated steering wheel, as well as your mirror dimmer. You got your Uconnect apps right here. You got your climate control over here. You can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. And you also have your phone options right there as well. When you are in reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Over here we do have our hazard lights, volume up and down with the mute, screen off, traction control, stop start, back button, and our true normal browser. AC, circulation, heat up and down. It does have the dual climate systems for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You have the power up and down, off, auto, then your defrosts there. You have your terrain selector here, so your auto, your snow, sport, and sand and mud mode. And then you do have your SD card slot, as well as your aux cord, your USB plugins there. Gear shift is right here, just like that. And then we do also have our parking brake right there. You have your cup holders here, and your armrest doubles as a storage container. Top layer and bottom layer right there does have a USB plug-in. And then we do have a locking glove box just over here as well, with our owner's manual inside of it. Okay, let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have your handle. You have your control of your windows. Handle here and some storage just down here. Looks fantastic in here, very comfortable. Same material as the front. You can fold that down. You do have an armrest with some cup holders there. It does seat 5 people all together, and you can also fold these seats forward if you did need some extra room. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Jeep Cherokee North. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.